All right, showing a close-up of some of the bubbles that are being produced through this fermentation process. You can see that the gas evolution is occurring, and it's obviously moving from bottom to the top, where there's a lot more headspace, obviously, within the vessel itself, within this glass tube. And this one in particular is connected to the balloon. So it has still only been about 15-20 minutes, haven't performed any kind of measurements yet. Really just want to have this reaction proceed. We're doing this at room temperature. We haven't accelerated this at all, so it might be a very gradual process, but nevertheless, you can still see the evolution of bubbles. Interestingly, if I were to look at this one then, the bubbles are also moving. This one is exposed to the atmosphere, whereas this one is not. And you can see a clear difference in the fermentation rates if we only look at bubble movement. So this one, again, is open to the atmosphere, so it's an oxygen-rich environment, at least at the headspace of the bubbles. Here, this one, again, the bubbles are moving pretty quickly. And again, this one is closed. So each of these vials has the yeast in it, and the bubbles that are produced through the fermentation process are definitely distinct, whether you have a closed system or the open system where oxygen exchange could occur. So we're going to report back on this, but this is all part of the investigative feel of what we're doing here in the fermentation of sugars by yeast.